Okay, it was here, and then soon as I Asia na. I was saying, no, ye dear and come on. Now, ye share Konya Pasoa, over creative Facebook page. Now we posty Jumia and Yamano Ewa Ho, and also Diana affiliate commission. So, what Kais and Komono. So, when you share that video now for her, no wait me at Siena and Komono assay. Intino may I see me say, when you are posting a product no area, so posted to do at least what posty be. Ubetumi posti ewo personal Facebook wall and I say ube create page send me no create page no na we posti u product no ewa ha say inti me page na me create no shopper man no any na ma add some product be ewo ha say okay inti no ye behwe kwan a obefa so a obe promote u product na wo airton no na wetumi ede enya sika no bebre ede free jumia.com. Right, yeah, Tom come on so dear. I will say Medin can you post some items so I say. It is a post item na say a page in our criteria. One of better I say boost post at the amount. And on a be using you or coin back one you be create ad manager account. But say account no a fresher or create ad manager account na Facebook for a bit close wo ad account no. And until I was say you feel see AUC boost post option no near the boost and post no enti particular post up say u boost no na we mia boost post ni so aha no o say go ben e na o pese already enti automatic no Facebook for na be hwehwe ne o pe e de am but won na onim ne o pe ntimi a change ni so na e hwehwe ne o pe e bi ya pese onya more messages pese onya more engagement and say the etisa. In this case, you know, me pay more engagement. It may be more engagement in this. No, me save. After when we are bra audience, you know, a crop for corn, open some advert, you know. Now, all top products, you know, at the amount. Until we me as a pencil icon, so. Over to me, after say, a man quan I'll pay, and I say a man quan I'll pay. With sub products now you promote, you know, a man and bang you bit to me, AUC sub products, you know. And to bet me alpha all age, you know, between 18 and 65 plus. Okay, until one I'll bet you see age can open until me say between 18 to 35. Okay, between 18 to 40. Okay, and now location in so no. And here fan and up say Facebook for any war adverts in the call. Okay, until obey location or I say. Medi kan afa Accra ewa ha. Maybe a person was serving advert ni ko bia no. Obetimi ayenisa. It doesn't depend on baby awo. Wo bogo so takrade takwa pristia fa ho. Okay, obetimi select say bia Accra. And a person onum ehu advert no. And now any location bia ope bia no. Na we choose. All right? Afei obia na wabra targeting ha say. Okay, detailed targeting no. Nkrofo ben and now per se omo advert no okay into we me browse ne so ma yenja demographics no na yenko interest omo interest ewo brebi mu obi a owo interest ewo technology computers and electronics mu nti drop down e ba na akọ nti computer memory hardware safo we na mo interest ni nyina no omo you be use computer it is the advert fa adia a protective weni e de momo a e possible say onu betumi atosa product no e de amaye okay behaviors no one say adia bia na wo ye wo Facebook bia no Facebook for a track sa record no nti omo ni okay nti ma fa purchase with offer okay nti no me fa wait for now all right we are na wa back okay Uguso ST or any money nyina na sa audience definition we so no ono so ST at the amount I have say no say estimated audience size no 975.6k to 1.1 million people in the betimi eho advert no ti the more na wo ye nyina no either self so beti ana say ebi ebeka ho okay you be din come bebre dey afa advert and I say advertising on Facebook okay we know a very basic okay into we are now save audience we know a number of days wo advert no e be running nti yem pese e be running for long nti dey fan say 2 days. Total budget no sika do say and now per se what the your advert no in the 2 days no. Omo I estimate $14 at the amount, but ebi a won need $14 inti ebi so wo broso obetimi de sa ba we say aba nanim ana say odi akọ nechi. Okay, odi kọ nechi ana eti sika ne so odi kọ ni wana sika ne bi ebeka ho nti yemfa ne say ye be use $2 every day. One person be use sa progress bar we na so person o edit sika na mi asa pencil we say so na extra amount ne she ho ebi a $5. One thing so I was say unhu ni say the more wo sika no ebekọ soro no the more na so na nkrofo ebe ho advert no enti ye ti sika no so ba $2 no omo kire say day no ye betimi enya views at say via 572 to 1.7k. Afi payment method no say won ade wo card a obetimi add from here. When we say some advert where you know any free, just say what are the payment details, which is say ube you see Visa card, okay, and our MasterCard. Iti ube miya way so na ode or card details no at the asheho. No to me a proceed. Say uye ni say ya ube nyang crop be bree. Ama mwa share wo advert no. Say odi $2 kra nye nipa be 10. Na say omu to me a top product no a free Jumia edema wa. Ubenya efaso ema na bro sa $2 na we invest in so uwia na wasign their shame na what their shame inti a very good business with me attest it no for $2 for $5 so when I say boawa then you continue say obeye sa eduma we say na we dey enyesika. Alright, inti after say wire settings ni nyina ewie no na we mia boost post now Facebook for back will say almost a review or advert no. After say one a review no or approve here. That is all. Until now, I wish you sanity. Yanko other option na which me a day and maximize or profit. When you and subscribe to channel here, must say over subscribe now or turning on notification bell no. Na me video biana when you money barber share no so send a beya over make you money online in Ghana genuinely. Influensobia any home. Okay, into Yambra Nation 10 website and so. With the link now to video description now as into me as well. Now about Udru Hasia no me register. The Yabe has said is a website we say a marketplace and crofobia bree and our website we say so. This say all day ideas to what nipa be bring na in a home. Into your products na you post it on Facebook no. You be posted the same thing it was our website we say so. Okay, in Tibako, I am from Ghana. I have say and I over select the planner or say war eto edi free has say. Never one year then 10 Ghana cedis, 50 Ghana cedis, and 100 Ghana cedis. Okay, but one thing is a start at 10 Ghana cedis, you know, when you access for 2 months, and when you access to the website, and I say auto personal account and then you 50 Ghana cedis, and no, over to me our site and it's for 1 year. Okay, but we yani a person ye business part is any make can say ye person ye young conform more toy product no na affiliate commission no yani no business so na be yama ye pa and then for a whole 1 year and a marketplace na website we be my so no e ho ye broader and crofo p and eba ho nti say ko promote ade o ho no mu a e easy say and crofo beto amaye ti say why a crowd say o person ye ne sa na we me register ne so enya by force over to me after any of the accounts 10 cedis 50 cedis and I say 100 Ghana cedis me register ne so ne provide information be a omu here e wa ha say fa mo say udu baby a username of who invited you ni wona na watro road to wealth e de ahye ho road to wealth network ekun a o send sika na koso no omo the details na dia ma say o send sika na din a ebeba so no and also no omo the amount e wa ha say that after say one make keep payment na wie no on say so send sika bi akọ baby a aya network providers no send o notification bi a message in regards to sika na wa send ye no some message no transaction ID bi wo sa transaction ID no obebo e de ahye ha say we are no about password no confirm password no no what take say we understand their terms and services no na we mia create account ne so account no ebe created after a while na with me log in so log in na okay mami log in na me try kwan be so a we post we advert no enti we mia post ad ne so na we mia products and services for sale ne so na ne subcategory no wafa fa product and images no shaha nti mia choose image ne so na wa crop it obetimi add 5 images add or title na me ko Facebook na me copy title no na me paste what I say ne bo no 59 cedis and 60 okay 60 condition new. Now the description as has say, see, I mean copy everything on. Now I post. So pa, ubetimi add or phone numbers ewo ase honomo. We are na we mia submit. So in a few minutes, admin no ebe publish or add no add amount. Na areche enkrofo bebre onyai and subscribe to channel na subscribe yo na turn on notification bell na ha de bia na hwekwan befa so a ebe make money ewo online na bibia so akoye ede amaye alright nti say abedu ha se ye wie no na so say o promoting more money reach obia ewo site ne so a obetumi emia promote ad ne so na wafa any of the promotion type or no featured now ever cost of 5 cedis per month, just 5 cedis per month. Now we need so cost of 3 cedis per month. In Timudia open na offer. I the same thing. Network compulsory payments and na we me aso. No one send this kind of call now or provide or transaction ID no. Then on my start some be promoted to baby a the amount. Okay. But more than say obey you see SaaS system na me the amount no. It has to be say Facebook ad no and as a way you see nations in there no na all their promoted product na opese oton e free jumia.com no na odi benya infaso bebre e de free e ho no bibia ni ane oja comment section ase e de amame e ma ori piece of like esa video yi na video ni tumenyini e wo YouTube aha no say besa ye be hia ni asan so ahwe kwan a e be make money e wo online hwesa video na e di e chire ni mu na yenhia e wo ho no Macau. For now.